Hello everyone. In this video, I'm excited to show you a powerful tool I've created, a professional email verification solution designed to help you clean and validate your email list with confidence. Uh, Whether you have hundreds of thousands of emails in your sheet, this tool will scan each one to ensure the syntax is correct using advanced regex rules, the domain is real and reachable, and the email is deliverable, meaning it won't bounce back. So let me just go ahead and select a file here. Let's go with this one. So this file has 102 records. All right. Okay. I simply load your email sheet into the tool and with just one click, start processing. And here you can see it begins verifying every email address with this tool. Yeah. Here you can see it working. Each email is checked in real time with clear status, result deliverable, undeliverable, or risky. And don't worry, this is not just a basic syntax checker. It goes deep to ensure inbox success. So once the verification is complete, I will export a clean list that is ready to use, giving you a peace of mind that your campaign will have higher deliverability, less bounce, and better engagement. So bad emails 15, good emails 13, estimated time remaining, and the process start time, total records uploaded 1020, and it's just right now it's just 1%. So whether you're sending newsletter, outreach emails, or business communication, I've got you covered with verified quality email data. No more wasting time risking your sending reputation. If you're ready to clean your email list and improve your delivery rates, reach out to me today. Thank you. Bye bye.